I received this for free. Perfect. I have gone through quite a few different espresso machines at this point, and so far this one is just the kind of stripped down minimal setup that I have been looking for. So this is a basic yet high quality at home espresso machine. You get 4 different main functionalities. You can pull both single and double shots of espresso, as well as steamed milk, which also doubles as a hot water dispenser as well if you want to use that for, say, hot tea, hot chocolate, stuff like that. It comes as a full kit with everything you need. You get a nice hefty portafilter along with 3 different cups. You also get a scoop with a tamper at the back of it, so you don't have to buy your own tamper and stuff like that. That's nice. You get a pressurized single shot and double shot basket. If you are using pre-ground espresso like this, that comes pre-packaged and everything, that is going to be the one that you want to use. However, if you are using freshly ground espresso at home, this is also from Hibrew, so yeah, check that out too. You generally speaking are going to want to use the non-pressurized basket if you know what you're doing. If not, then honestly, I would just ignore the non-pressurized basket and use the 2 pressurized ones. If you're a beginner, you've never been a barista or anything like that, I would just say just use the 2 pressurized ones. They are the best, most suitable and easy to learn on for beginners. There is no learning on it. You just put it in it just works. That's really as simple as it is. Oh, so good. There's an LED screen which tells you that the machine is heating up. It doesn't take long to heat up at all. I've had other espresso machines that take upwards of 10 minutes to turn on and heat up. This one just takes just a minute or 2. It's awesome. So that's what that screen is for. It just tells you the temperature and whether or not the machine is ready to be used. It will also display errors on there that you'll need to fix. More on that later. And then on the front, there's a neat little pressure gauge. That's nice to have. I don't think I've had any other espresso machine, especially in this price range, that has one of those. Good to see. You generally will want to make sure that you keep the gauge in the green zone, and what this is going to be a result of is your espresso grind and how tightly you have it packed. You have a removable water tank. You don't have to move the machine or anything like that. It's very nice. Then you have a drip tray that is removable. Very easy. A little red gauge here, so if it happens to fill up somehow, this little gauge will pop up and that'll tell you need to empty out and clean your drip tray. You can pull single and double shots of espresso, or you can put 2 espresso cups here and pull a double shot and have 1 shot pour into each cup for 2 lattes. You will want to check out the timer on the top of the machine. It will tell you how long it's taking for your shots to fully pull. And then there's the steam wand, which is great. Very simple. You will just press the steam button, wait for it to preheat, which again takes almost no time at all. You will twist this wheel all the way and begin steaming your milk. If you're new to this, there's tons of tutorials out there, but generally speaking, you will place it close to the bottom of your pitcher, wait for the steam to fully engage, and then you will pull the cup down until you hear sort of a paper tearing sound at the edge of your milk. Do that for a couple seconds to create some foam, and then just let it do its thing. It will turn off automatically once it reaches the max temperature. However, I tend to turn it off myself manually. Once I feel that the milk pitcher is kind of too hot to touch, that's when I will typically just turn it off. But it's up to you. If you like your lattes really hot, let it do its thing until it turns off on its own. And then from there, you've got a nice double shot latte. Now, the only error that you are going to commonly see is the hot error. It will just say hot on the screen here. And the way to fix that, take maybe a milk pitcher, put it under the steam wand, and just without pressing the steam button, you want to make sure that the steam button is not pressed. Just turn the wheel to discharge hot water and just let it go until it stops and the error will go away. That's all there is to it. It just means that there's too much hot water built up in the machine and it needs it to just discharge. That's it. Nothing else. There's a few other errors as well, like if you try to pull a shot without any espresso in your portafilter, it will throw up E2, and that's just an improper pressure error. It's just basically telling you, hey, you forgot to put espresso in the filter. That's it. Build quality quality is also really good as well. I mean, this thing has a decent heft to it, solid metal. None of this feels cheap. I can really tell that some good thought and effort went into this design, and I'm really happy. I, genuinely speaking, ever since I got my own espresso machine, I have not been back to a coffee shop a single time. This is so much better than any Starbucks you could ever go to. Plus, it's way cheaper over time. This is great. I love it. Definitely worth checking out.